Today I'm going to show you how to make baked chicken cutlets with no egg. In Sicily, this is very popular. In fact, in Sicily, if you order chicken cutlets, there's a good chance they're probably going to be baked. And in a lot of households, they bake them. They usually don't fry them. In my household growing up, we used to always bake them. Very rarely would we fry them. And today, a lot of people are trying to get away from fried foods, so this is definitely a healthy alternative. So let's go through the ingredients. I have breadcrumbs, plain, no seasoning, parsley, lemons, cheese, chicken, salt, pepper, and olive oil. And that's really it. So let's put these together. So we got our chicken in a bowl. We're gonna add in some olive oil, a little salt, and pepper. Now we're gonna cut up a lemon, and we'll add in the juice of a lemon. This is gonna act like your egg coating, this lemon and olive oil blend. And it also helps with the flavor of the chicken. It kind of takes away that poultry flavor in the chicken sometimes. So we're just gonna mix this up. We're gonna kind of massage the chicken. And you'll notice that this liquid in here will start to like get a little, I want to say creamy, but you'll see it starts to like thicken up. And that's when you know you have a nice coating on the chicken. You can see the color, it's starting to change in here. And if you like garlic, this would be the ideal time to add it in. All right, so we're gonna set this aside. All right, so the breadcrumbs, we're gonna season them up with some grated cheese. It should be about 1/3 of grated cheese. So 1/3 of grated cheese and 2/3 breadcrumbs. I'm using Pecorino Romano. You could use Parmigiano Reggiano. Pretty much use any cheese you like. This really gives that Sicilian flavor. So we're gonna go in with a lot of cheese. So this looks good. Now we're gonna add in some fresh parsley. I'm gonna mix this up. You can kind of eye it up now. Take a look. Do you have enough cheese? Do you have enough breadcrumbs? This looks pretty good. And now what I like to do is add in a little olive oil in here. And we'll mix this up. So this will help when you're baking the cutlets. They won't dry out. And that's really it. So that's our breading. Now we're just gonna bread the cutlets. We have the cutlets nice and coated in here. You could see how it's kind of got that creamy lemon olive oil on it. And we're just gonna throw it right into the breadcrumbs. And that's really it. Put this on a parchment lined baking sheet. And you can also do this with chicken thighs. I do this with boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and it works great. You can actually take these cutlets and grill them on a grill pan. That's what they do in Palermo. You could grill these on a grill pan for like 3 to 4 minutes on each side. You could do it with fish, like swordfish. There's a lot of different things you could do with this. So before we put them in the oven, I want to top them off with a little more olive oil. Olive oil is good for you. The goal is to eat as much olive oil as you can. And some lemon zest, which kind of brightens it up a little bit. You definitely want to get a organic, unwaxed lemon. Just give it a little zest. And that's really it. So now we're gonna pop these in the oven, middle rack, 400 degrees, 20 to 25 minutes. That's it. All right, so these just came out of the oven. I baked them for about 25 minutes and I put it on broil for the last 2-3 minutes just to get the top nice and crispy. And this is it. So we'll get these on a tray. So when you fry chicken cutlets, you usually have like this even coating on the cutlet and it's really crispy. Now these are a little different. The chicken actually stays nice and tender and the breading gives like a little crunch. So let's cut into this and I'll show you. And you can see the chicken is nice and tender. And what I like to do with these is really just serve it with just squeezed lemon, just like that. When I was a kid, I used to dip these in ketchup. Still do sometimes, but. And that's really it. It's simple, very home style. It's delicious. They're so good. So if you make these, I would recommend serving them up with a salad, maybe some baked potatoes. That's the way I like them. And this is a great way to make chicken during the week. It's really just a little prep and then you bake it. You don't have to stand in front of a stove and fry. So it's definitely an easy recipe. You should definitely try it. And if you do, let me know how you like it in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe.